Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore some unique geometrical shaped lawn ideas to transform your outdoor space into something truly modern and eye-catching. If you love clean lines and structured patterns, this video is for you. So what exactly is a geometrical lawn design? Simply put, it's about using clear, defined shapes like square, rectangles, circles, and even triangles to create a unique layout in your lawn. These shapes bring structure and a sense of order, making your outdoor space look neat and stylish. Plus, geometrical designs make it easy to plan out different sections of your lawn, like seating areas, garden beds, or pathways. Let's start with square and rectangular lawn designs. These shapes are simple, but they offer a lot of flexibility. You can create zones by separating square or rectangular patches of grass with flower beds or small hedges. A rectangular lawn area can also be perfect for placing outdoor furniture or even creating a formal garden space. Now let's talk about circular lawn designs. Circles bring a sense of balance and harmony to your yard, softening the straight lines from nearby walls or pathways. A circular patch of grass can work beautifully in the center of your garden, and you can even place a feature like a tree, water fountain, or sculpture at the center for a long focal point. Circles are also ideal for creating a cozy seating area. Imagine a round patio or picnic space surrounded by greenery. It feels inviting and relaxing. Looking for something a bit more unique? Consider triangular lawn designs. Triangles are perfect for those tricky corner spaces where other shapes may not fit. You can create a dynamic, modern look by using triangles to break up the typical squares or rectangular sections in your yard. These shapes give your lawn an edgy, bold feel and are great for planting decorative flowers and even placing garden sculptures. To tie your geometrical design together, pathways play an essential role. A well-placed pathway, especially one made of brick or stone, can highlight the shapes in your lawn. You can go for straight, clean lines or gentle curves, depending on the overall feel you want to achieve. Surround the path with plants, small rocks, or lighting to make it even more eye-catching. And there you have it, geometrical shaped lawn ideas that are not only stylish but functional too. Whether you are working with squares, circles, triangles, or a mix of all three. You can create a modern and well-organized outdoor space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more landscaping and home decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.